Good morning everyone. Myself Geetha A M, first year B.Ed student teacher, Kumadwati College of Education, Shikaripura. Today I am going to present a seminar on Gravitation chapter. The Gravitation chapter includes the meaning of gravitation, the universal law of gravitation, free fall, mass and weight, thrust and pressure, Archimedes principle and relative density. Now let us see the meaning of gravitation. Gravitational force is a universal force and it acts not only between two objects on the earth but also between any two objects in the universe. Gravitation is a natural phenomenon by all things with mass or energy, including planets, stars, galaxies, and even light are brought toward or gravitate toward one another. Here we see the example for Earth's gravity. If a body is dropped from a certain height, it falls downwards due to Earth's gravity. Next we see the universal law of gravitation. The universal law of gravitation states that every particle attracts every other particle in the universe with force directly proportional to the product of the masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. The value of the gravitational constant at any part of the universe remains constant, which is 6.67408 into 10 to the power of minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Here is the mathematical formula for law of gravity, that is F1 is equals to F2 is equals to G into M1 into M2 divided by R square. Here G is the gravitational constant, M1 M2 are the two masses and R square is the distance between these two masses. Next we shall move on to the importance of universal law of gravitation. The universal law of gravitation successfully explained several phenomena which were believed to be unconnected. The first one is the force that binds us to the earth, the motion of the moon around the sun, the motion of the planets around the sun, and the tides due to the moon and the sun. The next concept is free fall. When a body moves exclusively under the influence of the earth's gravity, it is said to be in free fall. The motion of the ball will be accelerated as a result of an external force acting on it. This free fall acceleration is also known as acceleration due to gravity. Here are the two pictures which indicates the example for free fall. Next move on to the concept of mass. Mass of an object is equals to measure of its inertia greater mass, which is equals to greater inertia. Mass of an object is constant and does not change from place to place. The SI unit of mass is kg and it is a scalar quantity, and the figure which represents the mass. The next concept is weight. The force of attraction of the earth on an object is known as the weight of an object. The SI unit of weight is Newton. Weight is a vector quantity. Weight depends on its location. The formula of weight is W is equals to M into G, where M is the mass and G is the gravitational acceleration due to gravitation. The next concept is thrust. The force applied on a surface in a direction perpendicular to the surface is called thrust. The SI unit of thrust is Newton. The effects of thrust depends on the area on which it acts. Here is the figure which represents the thrust acting normally on the surface. The next topic is pressure. The effect of thrust per unit area is called pressure. SI unit of pressure is Pascal. Pressure depends upon two factors. Force, more the force, more will be the pressure. The next one is area. More area, the pressure will be less. Here is the figure which represents the force. The formula for force is pressure is equals to force divided by area.